What's up, Oklahoma? Take advantage of the sales at the Old City Source right now. Selected baby fat heels, $30. Baby fat sandals, $20. Timberland, 65% off. Selected Nike Air Max, $50.
With thrill.